This quick video will show you how to delete SpiderOak that's currently on your Ubuntu installation and then reinstall. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to your file manager. And in your file manager, you're going to need to open and look at the hidden files. To do that, you type Control-H. And the hidden files are any files or directories that have a period before them. So we're going to go into the .config file, and we're going to delete the SpiderOak 1 folder. If you see any folders in this .config folder that say SpiderOak or SpiderOak 1, you're just going to right click and you're going to delete them, move to trash. Alright, once that's done, you can go back to your home folder. I always like to Control-H one more time just so I don't see all those hidden files all the time. The next thing we're going to do is open your web browser, whether it's Firefox or Chrome, it doesn't matter. And you're going to go to SpiderOak.com. At the top of the SpiderOak.com header, there's a download button. Click that. And then it's going to ask you to choose which kind of installer do you want, Windows, Mac OS. For me, I'm going to get the 64-bit Debian-based installer. If it just depends for you if you are 32-bit or 64-bit. For Ubuntu, you always want the Debian-based installer. So I'm going to download that. Now, there are a couple of different ways on Ubuntu that you can install different types of files. This is going to be a .deb file, which you can see here at the top. You can install this either through the Ubuntu Software Center or through gget. Let me walk you through how to do it through the Software Center. So we're going to go into the Downloads folder. Here is my .deb file. If you right click, it gives you the option to open with the Software Center, or if you have gget installed, that will also be an option there. I'm going to do this through the Software Center. So I double click. It will launch the Software Center for me. And it should automatically pull up the screen to install this file. All right. So SpiderOak 1, everything should be correct. And then we're going to click the Install button. It will ask you for your password. And once you do that, you can click on the Progress dialog and you can see the progress. Once the installation is finished, it'll bring you back to this screen. The way you know it's installed is here. You see the installed with the checkbox. Now, to launch SpiderOak, we're going to go to the Heads Up menu, which you can get to by clicking on the button or by clicking the Windows key or the Command key, whichever you have on your computer. We're just going to type in Spider. And the first result should be SpiderOak 1. When you click on that, it will launch the application for you. Now, one of the things I like to do is when it shows up in the menu bar on the left-hand side, I right-click and lock to launcher. Now, at this point, you're ready to either set up a new account or click the sign in button and sign into your account.